last time I give you such type of program, such type of code to everyone on my personal group. So let's discuss about how to write JavaScript lines, JavaScript code into text editor and execute the same on browser. Write JavaScript code to accept the name from the user, then welcome him or her along with the name. Okay, and this is a source code. Okay, and now I'm going to add it's a JavaScript program, so simply put JavaScript code or JavaScript program. Okay, and in that I'm going to add script. You can use script in head tag or in body tag. Okay, language language equals to the script. Okay, sorry for that. Fine. After that I'm going to close script also. Now first and foremost thing, we need to declare variable, and everyone knows to declare variable it require var keyword. So var keyword is used to declare variable in JavaScript. Okay, you can use any name for to accept a name, okay, from user. So I'm going to use uname. Okay, uname means username, semicolon. After that uname equals to there is one built-in method, built-in function in JavaScript to who accept input from user, and function name is prompt, prompt, and simply put enter your name. You can write default enter here or enter name, right? Enter here. Okay, fine, semicolon. It's a default value. Okay, there's one syntax, this it's a default value and this is a message. Now after that I just want to show exact variable on web page. Okay, see this value hold by uname. Okay, uname is a variable, and now purpose of variable is used to hold, is used to store value. Okay, there's one statement, document dot write. Inside that requirement is the welcome him or her along with the name. See, first part is work to accept the name from the user. To accept the name from the user means what? Using built-in function, and that is a prompt function. Prompt function is used to accept value, accept any type of value from user, accept any type of input from user, and then welcome. You just need to greet particular user. Okay, any user, him or her. Fine. So just I'm going to put welcome message, and after that you can use space. Okay, and then concatenation operator. See, this is a concatenation symbol to join two different things. Means you can join multiple strings, you can join multiple variable and string, variable and any other values, other types. Okay, so this is a concatenation symbol. And now variable name is uname, uname. Okay, fine, semicolon. That's it. So this is a simple JavaScript code. Hardly it required 2 to 3 lines. Okay, nothing else. Fine, save this program. code1.html. Fine, let me execute the same. Fine. And now JavaScript area, practice part. See, let me execute on Internet Explorer. Fine. Allow block content. Right click, click on yes, and see, displays script prompt. Enter your name and enter here. See, this is a default value. You can directly put exact name for it. See, I'm going to enter AMIT, Amit. Okay, and if I click on OK, then display welcome Amit. Okay, fine. This is the user name. In this way, you execute the code. Okay. Yes, exactly. See, there is one. Yes, confirm. Okay. Now, next part is confirm method, confirm function. This is also built-in function in JavaScript. This function displays confirmation message box with OK and cancel button. OK button returns true and cancel button returns false. Fine. Now there is one example, and in that there is a single variable. Variable name is ANS. Okay. Answer. ANS is equal to confirm. Do you want to continue? Means there are either true or false, right? It's a boolean result. Fine. When you click on OK button, then it returns true, and when you click on cancel button, it becomes false. Fine. Simply copy this code and execute on browser. Let me save as code number second, code number 2.html. Remember again, .html is extension of HTML document. Okay, ANS confirm and double quotes. Fine, double quotes. Okay, so in this way you can use confirmation message. Okay, see, if I save this and execute on browser, then see what happened. See, do you want to continue? If I click on OK, then it stores okay value. If I click on this, it says in this place cancel. Okay, let me show exact output. Document dot write. If I pass variable ANS to the output statement and display true or false behavior. Okay, if I save execute, then display OK, and it returns true. If I refresh it and if I click on cancel, then it displays false. So in this way, confirm dialog box or confirm function works. Okay, now next thing is to lowercase. This is also interesting. This string function used to convert the given string into lowercase alphabets. Okay, given string into lowercase. Whenever we want to convert capital letters, okay, into lowercase, means small letters, then we can use to lowercase function. And next function is totally opposite to the to lowercase. Okay, so simply I put use this same statements, copy it. Again, I need to save as to make another. Okay, to make another file now, and inside that script part I'm going to put this, and we need to change double quotes instead of. Okay, you can write anything. There is a JavaScript. Okay, some characters are uppercase, some characters in lowercase. Okay, when you want to convert all characters in lowercase, then you can use such type of function. See, this is a exact variable. This is nothing but now string object, and this is a function or method. Okay, remember one thing, you always called method using object. Okay, without object it's not possible to call any type of method or function. Okay, so it required to called, right? So it's a string, this is a string object. Fine, now str is equal to str dot. Now I am going to pass this str variable to the output statement, document dot write, and inside that I am going to put variable. Okay, see if I save this file and execute on browser, where we say desktop, information technology, again let me execute the same JavaScript area, and here we go, open with, again open with Internet Explorer. Okay, allow block content, and see if I click on yes, then displays all letters in lowercase character, all letter displays in lowercase. Okay, simply if I just change, instead of lowercase I'm going to use uppercase. Okay, then see what happens if I refresh the same, then it displays all number of characters in a given string, it converted to the uppercase letter. Okay, so this is a very interesting, okay, concept. Now next is none. Now here NaN, everyone knows about it. NaN means not a number. Okay, and is none means to check. Okay, is none means what? To check exact whether it is a number or not, enter value is number or not. When we want to check, say a description, it returns true if given value is not a number. Okay, it returns false if given value is number. Okay, there is one example. See if I use it in particular statement, let me save as to make duplicate file. Now this code number 4 dot html, code for html, and simply I remove this part. Okay, if in bracket is none of cp100, if I use curly bracket and simply put document dot write, see everyone knows this is a let me declare variable a is equal to, in double quotes, cp100. okay, fine, and if I remove it and simply put a variable in that, is none of a. Now document dot write, you can provide exact behavior. Okay, it returns true if given value is not a number. Okay, it's not a number. Fine, and else means what's remain result. Okay, simply copy it, and if I execute, simply put it, and then it's a number. Okay, see it's not a number and it's a number. See now this is a another statement. Okay, this is new for you, right? If statement to check condition. Okay, everyone knows about, there's a lots of built-in function in JavaScript. Okay, now this is another built-in function, if to check condition. Okay, it's a conditional statement in JavaScript. Fine, and if I save this file and execute on browser on Internet Explorer, then displays, let me execute, allow block content, Actually it's not a number, so it displays it's not a number. Fine. If I put 100, then simply it shows it's a number. Okay, so you can put remove it. Okay, it's a number. Okay, hope you understand how it works. Okay, is non function. So these are built-in functions. Now there is one note. Okay, alert, prompt and confirm are Windows function. Okay, we can use it without the window prefix. Okay, see, alert, prompt and confirm, these three are Windows function. Windows is the main, it's a top level browser object model, BOM. Okay, top level object in browser object model. Fine. So we can use it without the Windows prefix. Okay, now another note, length is a property of string object used to calculate length of string. Okay, see this we definitely take such type of length is a property of string object used to calculate length of string. See, let me show you how to create, how to check length of characters. Okay, see, if I write save as code5 and simply I put this, everyone knows the way you write this is nothing but data type. Okay, simply I put one variable, that is a, or you can use str instead of a, str. Nandip Kid. Okay, now there are how many characters? Let me check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Space is also character, remember one thing. Okay, so and I'm going to put directly document dot write statement, and in that str is object. Okay, and length is a property of that object. Okay, so there is note. Okay, length is a property of string object used to calculate length of string. So this is object. Okay, object appla str dot length, and if I execute this line, so this is the code number 5. Internet Explorer, allow block content, and if I click on yes, then see total number of characters, 14 characters in given string. Okay, so this is about different type of programs, different type of built-in functions in JavaScript. Okay, in case you face any type of queries, then you can enter in that comment. Okay, or you can communicate me on my WhatsApp now. Okay, fine, take care, bye bye.